Anyways, I was making fun of Maggie, and I was like, hey, Gandhi, L-O-T-R, one of the rings. You shall not pass.
Because you don't have your mom's nose. You don't look like your mom at all.
That's
I mean,
good
seriously.
to know.
No, I mean, I'm looking at her. I'm looking at the mouth. No, mouth's not still yours. Nose isn't yours.
Yeah, I look more
Eyes
like my
isn't
dad.
yours. You must.
Dude,
because-
look at-
Were you still filming when he eats from some of the Sophie Lippert still
Random cameo.
Karen makes a random cameo.
Cameo in the looking at
The porn.
The porn. That's so disgusting.
Alright, listen, my inspiration 6 here. Are going to take this tree, then we're going to put it on something, and then we're going to film it burning. A little bit my hat with. Sucks.
Alright. Chiller.
This is really uncomfortable, like if you turn the camera off.
Okay.
Oh, it's Bruce Willis. Fifth Element. Yeah, Chris Tucker was the guy. He had the blonde hair, the blonde thing.
Oh my god.
And Bruce Willis. Yeah, I know my movies. Wait, where you going, Chica? Get back here. Oh, hey.
Got your money.
19-degree weather wearing a sundress for something.
Oh, dang. For the
I've
greater
been,
good.
I don't know, I was like naked in front of your brother and
God, you make it sound like he raped you in the process. I do love chocolate. There. Ooh, whoa, whoa, whoa. Here. Hey, Cammy. If the photo isn't me, the call is free, right? That off on the movie, or we could just do 6s across here.
One big 6. Nice 6, dude.
It's not done! It's not done, Maggie!